Hi, welcome to Naveena Payana. This is a hidden gem near the UNESCO site Hampi. This is called Sanapura Waterfalls. Sanapura Waterfalls is in Sanapura village. This is located in Sanapura village and nearby to Sanapur lake. If you ever visit to Sanapur lake, don't miss this gem. Sanapura Waterfalls is a naturally made waterfalls in Tungabhadra river. It is just opposite to the direction of Sanapura lake. So if you travel to the opposite direction from Sanapura lake at 2 kilometers, then you can find this hidden gem, Sanapura Waterfalls. Though we visited during summer days, if you ever visit this waterfalls in rainy season, it will be a feast for your eyes. And also the sunset here is mesmerizing. So don't miss this hidden gem if you ever visit to Hampi or even for Sanapura lake. This is a must visit place. I recommend if you love the waterfalls. Thank you. Subscribe to Naveena Payana.